So I'm remaking this 1/64 scale Junkyard Diorama, and I made these plaster rocks for the rock wall. I don't know, maybe I figured if I showed it, I think it looks alright. I don't know about the quality. I mean, this is kind of what the rocks look like. I had used the rock molds and plaster, and then I think the color is kind of pretty good. I've never painted plaster rocks before, so I really, I'm not like the biggest fan of, I don't know. So I'm shooting this video to see what maybe some other people maybe have done this. Just tell me how it looks. Like revamped. Oh, I'm not moving too quick. Kind of a mess over here, but I ripped everything off. My idea is all gonna be a junkyard. This is gonna be like a upper row. Kind of got the ramp working here. Some junk cars, so I have more than just a flat surface. I'm doing a lot of grass in here, static grass. I'm not gonna do a lot of this. What I used to do. I'm just gonna do a road and sand, but the rest is gonna be all grass. And I'm hoping this actually looks pretty cool. It's kind of hard to tell with a mess right now without the grass in. But I mean, I don't think the rocks are that bad. I just did a little bit of some gray and black and a couple different colors of brown, and I don't know. But maybe it'll come out decent in here. Some of these were aluminum foil cast to make rocks. Like that right there is a aluminum foil cast that I made. But I guess I'll do an update once I got all the grass and the rest of it down and looking like something. Get some cars on it. But people have been asking, like a few people asked me about yeah, look at that rock. That looks awesome. That looks awesome. So these came out really good. I mean, I think these are alright. But this is what I'm doing for I rebooted the whole thing. Took everything off, and I'll give you an update when I got some more work done and it's actually looking like something. I was just curious what people, hope I went slow enough, what people could think of these rocks. Like this right here, I think that kind of looks cool. Alright folks, until next time. Thanks for watching.